game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I have got August Gelbox. I like this packaging. I do like this. So for any of you that are new, Gelbox is a monthly subscription, although you can buy them as a one-off. I've got a discount code as well. It'll all be linked in my description box. Yeah, they're a monthly Gelbox, and you normally get 4 gels in there, and you get a little tutorial, and every month is a different theme. Really fun boxes they are. Let's just get into it, shall we? I wonder what the theme's gonna be. Oh, we've got orange, is it? We've got oranges. Look at the box, guys. This is all part of the fun every month, to see what the box is gonna be like. Oh wow, look at this. We've got some dried fruit, dried orange. Cool. That's different. This is their website there. And this is their sister brand, Britpop Nails. This is the brand of the gels that come in these boxes. Oh, these are the gel polish bottle stand. Cool, right. So, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Right, so this looks like the tutorial. So, we've definitely got a pink and either a glitter or a glitter gel. Maybe some orange slices. That's cool. Right, let's see what we got. So I'm just going to pull things out as I see them. We've got some checkered stickers. So we've got them in straight lines and we've got them in kind of wiggly ones. Not seen them before. Right, and there's the oranges. So that's the oranges that are on the tutorial. So you could use these half ones or the full ones. I don't have any orange stickers. Oh look, we've got little love hearts. Cool. I like it. Oh, we've got a nail file. I've never had a nail file in one of these boxes. That feels nice. I like this, so you can measure the length. That's cool. We've got a cuticle oil. They always match the theme as well. Let's have a sniff. Is it going to be orange? Oh, I can't tell. I've got quite a strong perfume on my wrists. And that's all I can smell. Oh, we've got a bottle opener. Right, is that everything extra? Right, so let's get down to it. I always say it, the star of the show, which is the gels. So, we've got 4 gels. They're kind of a... yeah, going into autumn, aren't we? So these are going to be perfect. Right, let's start with the glittery one. Apparel Spritz. I'm going to swatch these in a sec. So yeah, it's just like a... it's not like a gold, it's a mix. I'd say like it's in between a gold and a bronze. I don't know if that's glitter or flakies. I think it's glitter. I'm going to give these a swatch in a sec anyway. Then we have got terracotta orange. Oh, that's a nice autumn shade. I like it. Then we've got tango glow. Guys, can I just say as well, their gels are all HEMA free now. There's the ingredients, which is fantastic, but the prices have stayed the same. Ooh, look at this. My camera's not great today. I'll try and sort that out for when I do the swatches. And then we've got a pink Madeleine. This looks nice. Oh, actually, I think, I will have to check, but I think this could possibly be a builder because it's very thick. I'm not too sure. I'm going to treat it as a builder. But yeah, it's very thick. And it's very hot today as well. So it would be a little thicker than that at normal temperature. I'm going to treat that as a builder until I know any different. Right, let's get some swatch sticks out and try and sort my lighting out. Right, so I'm just going to swatch them in the order that I showed you. So we'll start with Apparel Spritz. I don't know if this is going to be more of a topper than a full cover, because it's not got a hell of a lot of glitter in there. So I think this might be more of a topper. I'm going to do it on the inside of the swatch stick, just so I can build it up a bit. Yeah, I think this is going to be more of a topper, because I can't see much glitter in there at all. But because it's clear, you can get away with building it up and it will cure because it's clear. Yeah, I'm just going to stick that in the lamp, and I will give that another coat, maybe 2. Right, next we have got terracotta orange. These gels, guys, as well, they're so nice to use. Oh, this Swatch stick's got a crack in it. Too late. Yeah, these gels, they're beautiful to use. They're really, really thin consistency, but they're always just so creamy and opaque. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful gels to use. They really are. Lovely. Without a doubt, you could get away with 1 coat with these gels. You really could. Tango Glow. Yeah, these are going to be nice going into autumn. Where's the summer gone, guys? Especially in the UK. We haven't bloody had one. It's been rubbish. This is nice. This is like a cross between an orange and a red. I like it. Very nice. I love Gelbox gels. They're just nice. And they are huge. Has anybody ever seen 20ml bottles? 20ml. Right, let's treat this as a builder, because it is a lot thicker than the others. It's a very pretty colour. What was this one called again? Sorry. Madeleine. Very pretty colour. But yeah, I'm thinking this is a builder. So I'm going to treat it like a builder. It's definitely too thick to be a gel polish. I do need to have a word with them about that. They did used to, actually, in the beginning, they did used to have a list of contents. They would tell you what's in the box, like 4 gel polishes, 1 builder gel. So I do need to have a word with them about that and see if they can start putting in the box whether it's a builder or what. Because yeah, I'm just not sure. But I'm treating it like a builder because it feels like one to me. It's a very pretty colour though. I do like that. Oh, we've got a crack in that one as well. These Swatch sticks are terrible. Oh, that's really done my head in, that. Oh, I'm not swapping it. Right, guys, I'm just going to give this glittery one another coat, just because, yeah, there's not a lot in there. I think it's more of a topper than full coverage, because, yeah, there's just not a lot of glitter in there at all. That'd be nice to just go over one of these orange colours, just to add a little bit of sparkle. I like it. Right, I'm going to get the rest of these top coated and then we'll have a quick look at them. Right, guys, that is them all swatched. Yeah, I think this gold one is going to be like more of a topper, because there's not a great deal of glitter in there. It's a very nice glitter though. It's not hollow or anything. I don't like holographic glitters because you can never see the actual colour. I do prefer just metallic ones, but that's the other colours as well. I love this. If this is a builder, I'm really happy about that. It's a really nice kind of nudish pink, I'd say. Very, very pretty colours going into autumn, aren't they? I think I saw somewhere that this box was supposed to have a bit of a Gatsby type theme. Yeah, perfect colours for going into autumn. So that is it for today, guys. I'll leave the link to Gelbox below. I've got a 15% discount code as well. Whether we're going to do this or put my own twist on it, I am not sure. Yeah, keep an eye out over the next few days. I'll try my best to get something done with these ASAP. But I do like them, and we are going into autumn, so whether we like it or not, we've got to switch up the colours and get our autumn colours out. Get rid of our neons and get our autumn colours out. And this is a perfect start to autumn, I think. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.